Welcome, today in front of me Oppo A96, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see the ringtone volume panel, and now just to unmute your device ringtone you should swipe this white dot to the right side with your finger by this way. And also we have the second way how we can do that, just by using the volume buttons here on the left side of our device. But first be sure that here in the volume button function you have selected the ringtone, not the media one. And now just by press to the up volume button you can also unmute your device ringtone. And also we can do it by the third way, just press up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and then swipe to the up with your finger this volume panel, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.